Kyra, are you sitting in Kobe's lap? Oh, is Kobe your friend? Yeah. Can you say, I love you, Kobe? Oh, that's very sweet. Kyra, can you give him a hug? Mm. Oh, we love Cobes. Oh. Oh. Kyra, can you say hi, Kobe? Oh. Tackle Kobe. Oh, Kobe, you're such a good boy. Oh, careful. You're sitting on his head. Oh, ow. Are you riding Kobe? Oh. Kobe. Oh. I don't know who's winning, Kai or Cobes. Kyra, can you give Kobe a kiss now? That's very sweet. You're a good boy, Kobe. Yeah, those are his teeth. Point to his teeth. That's right.